It's avocado harvest time here in Modesto, California, Zone 9B. But how do we know our avocados are ready to be picked? Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to my tropical garden. Today we're going to talk about how a person is supposed to know when their avocados are ready to be picked. We know that we pick avocados when they're ripe and then we finish ripening off the tree, but how do we know the timing is right? Well, I'm going to show you that, but first make sure you click that subscribe button so that you get all the updates on my latest videos. So we're going to go back here to the demonstration tree I have. This avocado tree is the Mexicola Grande, and as you can see, I have some fruit that are already ripening. Actually, they're ready to be picked, and you can tell because they're solid black. But many of the Mexican varieties are green when you pick them. So how do you know? Well, time will tell. Usually after the second or third year, you'll have a fairly regular routine of flowering and ripening of the fruit. But as you can see on this tree, I apologize for the background noise. We've got a very busy street here. But as you can tell on this fruit, take a look at where the fruit meets the stem. You see the color difference and the little line showing that the fruit is getting ready to be abscised or detached. The tree knows that it's ready, the fruit is ripe, and that it wants to drop them. So just before they start abscising the stem, a process of separation. So as you can see, this beautiful fruit, this avocado is Mexicola Grande. This is about an average size Mexicola Grande. And so what I do is I snap it right where it's abscising. That way there's no meat left on the branch where it attached, and you don't have any exposed fruit on the meat on the fruit. So let's go over here to another tree, Mexican avocado tree, another demonstration tree I have, and this is the Wilma tree. And I want you to take a look at this fruit. So this is the Wilma fruit, but as you notice, it's darkening on the bottom. This is one of the disadvantages of growing Wilma, is that it doesn't ripen uniformly. You might have one fruit that's not ripe and one fruit that's ripening starting at the base first. Not ideal, but actually I did ripen one of these fruit and they're delicious. They don't oxidize. So as you can see here's another cluster of Wilmas ripening at the bottom. Take a look and it's starting to abscise. So this one will be picked pretty soon. My name is Jeff. If you like these type of videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. You have a good day.